Today we are going to learn how to convert the active sentence of simple future into passive. Now, by now you might have completely mucked up the passive formation, the passive structure. So let's try together. What is the structure of passive? It starts with object, be, the form of be, verb is in third form, followed by and the subject. So now this is quite surprising, right? So let's would you like to stop the video and try both of them by yourself? Then please go ahead. Okay, so let's try converting this sentence into passive. First and foremost, as usual, we'll again check what are we having in the sentence. We are having I as subject, will clean as our verb, my car as our object. So now many of us might have confusion, like next week where should I put? Should I keep it at the end or at the start? Yes, both the ways. If I want to start my sentence with next week, I can do so. If I want to keep the next week at the end, even that is perfect. So let's try converting this sentence into passive. So I will clean my car next week. So let us see how this sentence will get converted. My car will, now I would need the be form. So my car will be, and what is the third form of clean? We all know cleaned. My car will be cleaned. I can either say by me next week, or I can just say my car will be cleaned next week. Both the way, if you are writing, both the ways are correct. So let's try to convert this sentence into passive. So before we move on, let us see what are we having. We are having the weaver bird as our subject, will build as our verb, and its nest is our object. So let's try converting this sentence into passive. So we'll take our object first. Now I have its over there. So can I take the liberty of writing something like that? Can I say like this? Its nest will be, now what is the third form of build? Built. Will be built by the weaver bird, in winter. Now here I can even omit this pronoun its, because I already have nest. So when I convert something, some active into passive, I can make such minute changes. So guys, I hope that you might have written the same sentences, and by now the conversion of active into passive for simple future is completely clear. So now whenever you are writing task 1, report writing, and you have the years which are following the future, you can try converting the simple future into passive, which will add little difference, little variety to your normal sentences. Even this you can use while you are speaking, giving some answers to the questions which are focusing into future. So this can help you add a little bit of difference in your sentences or type of sentences.